Okay, so I'm gonna watch this video made by my friend. Pagi buta ni. When I'm interested, I actually saw about 10 seconds of it and decided, okay, aku hantar video lah tengok. Okay, apalah aku main. Aku takut mula tau, aku ni game hantu. Eh, 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 eh. Air. Mud. Apa tu? Oh, boleh lompat je. Shit, lari! What you guys doing? What? Oh, nice. Oh. Is that a mistake? Shit! No! Lari, tiang. Okay. I'm scared too, what the fudge. Ish, jangan! Dah kata. Okay. Cepat. No. Yes! Swim. Skip swimming. Wait, no. Oh dear! No! What the... Cepat. Nanti jatuh. Tak jatuh. Cepat. Dah lah, larilah cepat. Apa ni? Okay. Dapat. Larilah topi. Kenapa lari macam tu? Dah tak sempat. Sus. Sus. I'm not fake, I swear. Ramanya karakter ni menyelam. Panjang nafas dia. There's something's good. Terkejut aku. No! Is that supposed to happen? Eh? Eh? Jadi kentang! Jangan tengok kawan. Tengok. Oh, penyek. Dah. Oh, ni tadi. Aduh. Oh. Kentang ni. Situ je. Dah habis. Okay. The kentang at the end though.